Have you ever wondered how easy it is to make your own strawberry jam? Well, today I'm going to show you just how to do that. I am a novice canner. I have canned before, water bath canned. I've canned before, but today is the first time that I'm going to be canning some jam. I'll be making a classic strawberry jam that requires just a few ingredients. Of course, we need strawberry because I'm making strawberry jam. We need pectin, we need lemon juice, and we need sugar, and of course, our canning supplies. So the first thing that I'm going to do is clean the strawberries and prepare them for the recipe. The recipe calls for 5 cups of crushed strawberries, and that's approximately 5 pounds. This is a 4-cup measuring cup, but I'm going to put these in here. Let's see, put the strawberries into this bowl here, and then I'm going to crush them with a potato masher. These smell really good. This looks crushed enough, so I'm going to pour it back into this measuring cup to see if I have enough for the recipe. This is about 4 cups crushed, so I will pour the remainder of what's in this bowl into this cup here. This measuring cup is a 1-cup capacity, so I'm going to prepare some more strawberries to crush to make sure that I have enough for the jam. All right, so I have crushed some more strawberries, and let's see if we have enough this time. We are right on the mark. So now we have 5 cups of strawberries, 5 cups of crushed strawberries. The next thing that I'm going to do is prepare the jars for canning. So I'm going to use my water bath canner here. I'll be using a trivet to make sure that the jars do not touch the base of the canner directly. And then I'm going to place the jars into the pot. Now I'm going to fill the pot so that I can sanitize the jars. Now that the jars are filled and covered with water, it is time to boil them. I'm going to set my timer for 10 minutes. And let the jars sanitize. Getting back to the recipe, I'm going to add 5 cups of crushed strawberries to this pan, or to this pot. I'm going to turn on the heat, and to that I will add 1/4 cup of bottled lemon juice. Next, I'm going to add 7 tablespoons of pectin, and I'm going to add this gradually. Now I'm going to add 7 cups of sugar. So right here we have 4 cups. And another 3 cups. Next, I'm going to remove a jar from the water. And carefully empty the water. There we go. Now sit it here. It is advised to fill one jar at a time and not use an assembly line method, and that's because you do not want to risk the jars cooling down too much and then possibly breaking because of thermal shock. I'll be using my funnel here and a ladle. So this here is used to remove air bubbles from the jars once they're filled, but also to check that you leave the appropriate amount of headspace. This recipe calls for leaving a 1/4 cup of headspace, and so that would be right down here. So let's check the headspace. All right, I can add some more. All right, perfect. Now it's time to remove any air bubbles that I find. Now I'm going to wipe the rim and make sure there is no residue. I can now add the lid and the ring, and I'm going to make sure to tighten the ring only fingertip tight, so I don't want it to be on too tightly. I'm going to repeat the process with the remaining strawberry jam. I'm going to add the first jar back to the pot, making sure that it is still covered by at least 1 inch of water. Alexa, set a timer for 10 minutes.
10 minutes or more.
Now that I have let this boil for 10 minutes, it is time to turn off the stove and remove the lid. I'm going to let this sit for 5 more minutes. All right, so my 5 minutes are up, and now I'm going to begin removing the jars, and I'm going to put them on a cloth. And there you have it. We have 4 jars of freshly canned strawberry jam. If you would like this recipe, I will link it below in the description box. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. If you would like to see this kind of content in the future, but are not yet subscribed, please click the subscribe button. And when you do, don't forget to click the notification bell so that you won't miss out on future uploads. Until the next time, stay blessed.